Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. I have another Dollar Tree haul. Just want to say I hope everybody's doing okay. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the little bell so you can see when I put out new videos. So this is going to be a short one. I have some more stuff, but I will show those to you later. I picked up the first thing are basket bags. I bought these for Easter baskets. There's 2 in a pack, but they were too big, but I figured I could save them for another basket. I could do a gift basket for someone. So I picked up that. And then now that spring is coming, I bought a couple of gardening things. And I'm going to share a couple of gardening videos with you. But this one is called Hummers Galore. It's Hummingbird Nectar. And it is it's made in the USA. And it is a 4-ounce bag and makes 16 ounces of nectar. So I got 2 of those. And so hopefully they'll work. It says feeding hummingbirds is a great hobby, particularly when considering the exorbitant energy the little darlings exert hourly. And they do. They don't come up immediately when you put this in the feeder. It takes a little time. I also picked up this pair of gardening gloves. I thought they were pretty, and they're pretty good. They got the rubber backing. So got those. And I have a little hook that I'm going to put inside of a plant, but I picked up this little bird. I guess it's a peacock, and it's a little wind chime. So that'll keep creatures off that area. And then I saw these, I probably can't put them outside, but maybe when it's not going to rain at night. It's 12 little floor garden silver wire LED lights. I picked up 2 of these. They had the copper ones, but I missed out. I saw them and then I didn't pick them up, and when I came back they were gone, so didn't get those. And I thought this was a nice little notebook. It's called Today is the Day, and it's just a journal by Jot. I'm going to open it so I can see if it has. Oh, okay, it has brown paper and white paper. So I like that. I figured I could take notes in that. I'm not going to put it back in the bag. Okay, something came apart already. On my little peacock, one of the little stones came off, but that's a quick, I'll grab some glue and glue that back. Okay, so we'll go on to the next bag. I just picked up another Sure Fresh bowl, and this one, you can hear it has the vented lid, so it's maybe steaming. And I've never tried these before. It's Sophie. It's 1 size tall, day sheer, reinforced toe, pantyhose. Oops. So we'll see how that works. They'll probably either be elephant legs, or they'll rip before I can get them on. And then for my shower or windows, I picked up a squeegee. And then I picked another bottle of this. I can use this to make a gift basket for my father for Father's Day. And this is the Kalar and Danver Refreshing Body Wash for Men. I looked this up and it retails for about $5 and something. And this is a 20-ounce bottle. I got that. And then I picked up one of these Bull's Eye Everyday Original BBQ Sauce. And it looks like a 17.5-ounce bottle. And it's actually made by Kraft and Heinz Company. So that's pretty good for barbecue sauce. And the last thing I want to share with you, I got this Sassy and Chic Moisturizing Foundation. This is the dark. And so I'm going to try that to see how that works on my skin tone. The other one is too light, so maybe if I mix these 2, that will do it. So that's all I got today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to come back and like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everybody. Take care. Talk to you on the next video. Bye-bye.